Hey, cute
Hi.
little dog, miss.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, this is my little baby. Yeah, I don't know what I would do without my little schnookums.
Is that his name?
What?
Your dog. Is his name Snookums?
No, it's Petrie.
Petrie.
Yeah, like a Petri dish.
Interesting.
Wow, it's like literally iron in there.
Peak of the heat. When it comes to that heat that you're feeling there, it's supposed to get even hotter today.
All right, it'll be 30 minutes, you little. You better behave or no treats for a whole week. Got it?
Well, hello, gorgeous.
Hi, handsome.
Right this way. Welcome.
Oh, right to